In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 to Cursor AI. We'll go through the process inside Base44 and show how this setup helps Cursor recognize the right skills and guidelines for your project. If you're using AI to support your workflow, this connection can make your environment feel much more organized and context-aware. To get started, head over to Base44. Once you arrive, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you can access the tools and resources tied to your workspace. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right area before moving on. From the dashboard, click on Agents. This section is where Base44 manages AI-powered assistants and agent-based workflows. If you're new to the platform, think of this as the place where you define how AI will support your projects. Next, click on All Agents. That will bring you to the full list of agents available in your workspace. This view is useful because it lets you see what already exists before creating something new. If you're setting this up for the first time, your goal here is simply to move into creation. Now click on Create Agent. This opens the setup area where you can begin configuring the agent that will work with your Base44 project. Creating an agent is an important part of the connection because it gives the AI a clear role inside your workflow. Once you're in the agent setup screen, look for the prompt box. This is where the AI will assist your project's workflow. In practical terms, this prompt area helps shape how the agent behaves and what kind of support it provides. Be clear and intentional here so the workflow aligns with what you want Cursor to work with later. After that, you can initialize your Cursor environment. This is the point where the connection becomes meaningful from the Cursor side because you're preparing Cursor to work with the Base44 setup you just created. Make sure the environment is properly loaded so the assistant has access to the right context. At this stage, the AI assistant in Cursor AI will automatically detect the Base44 skills and guidelines. That means Cursor can begin interpreting the setup and using those built-in instructions to better support your development process. This automatic detection is what makes the integration feel smooth, since you don't have to manually re-explain the same framework inside Cursor. And that's it. Once everything is in place, you'll have Base44 connected in a way that helps Cursor AI understand your project structure and workflow expectations more effectively.